So we have a free day, pretty much like a free day. So we are currently at a mall, just kind of shopping around, seeing what's here. It's a pretty nice mall. It's a high-end mall, so there's a lot of high-end merchandise here. We're gonna go back to the room and hang out there for a few hours, and then we'll catch a light show tonight at the Pyramids, and then that'll be it for the night. Probably have a little dinner later, and then tomorrow we'll start a fresh day. Everybody will be here, and we'll start our tours. Looking forward to that. We're gonna go ahead and get with y'all in a little bit. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing for the rest of the day. All right, we'll see you tonight at the light show. As you can see behind me, because of the type of lens I have on, it's just going to be out of focus because it's focusing on me. But you can see right there, that's one of the pyramids. They took my microphone away. They made me, well, they didn't take it away, they made me take it off. So I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me very well with the microphone from the camera. But just to let you know, yeah, we are, there you go. We're at the Pyramids for the night show. We'll, of course, have some video for that here in just a little bit, about 10 minutes or so. Capture some good video for you. And that's it for now. Hope everyone's having a good time and being safe back at home.
Dynasty collapsed.
Thousands of other suns shall rise again, and man's oldest achievement will remain the